Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily into 10 coin. Actually, this is not daily, but this is a altcoin that was requested, so I'm going to do a quick review on it. I am not condoning this coin at all. I do not hold anything in this coin. And do not, I don't know. I have never looked at this coin, so just know this is not a paid video. This is not promotion. This is simply a request from a beautiful subscriber to do on this coin. So choose wisely. This is the first red flag. Okay, it's not on TradingView, so we can't look at the candlesticks. That means it's way too small. Fully diluted market cap is 387 million. It is on the CRO chain. It is on crypto.com. So far, it's not looking too good. Bruh, no. What is this? What is this? Who would put their money in something like... Dude, no. This is just a risky ass play. This is pretty much just go. You have better chances at going to a casino, my man. Okay, let's get real. Sorry if I offended anyone that's holding this coin, but I've lost a lot of money in coins like this, thinking that they're gonna blow up 100x. So I can just put $1,000 and it'll blow up 100x. Even if I lose it, I don't need it. You're better to just keep your $1,000 instead of just put it in and then this goes to literally like down 97% and you have fucking $15 in your whole portfolio. Just hodl that $1,000 and put it in something that actually will go up over time, that is creating good value in the marketplace, is creating a lot of a noise around it. Now, I have heard a couple things about this coin before. I don't know if some bigger YouTubers are pumping it right now. I don't know how you guys are getting news from it, but just know most of the time whenever these bigger YouTubers pump the coins, that's all they're doing. They got in, they're pumping, now they're getting out at the top. And you can do that with crypto because of DeFi, okay? Now, it's normally illegal with stocks and you'll go to jail for that. Big YouTubers will go to jail, but with crypto it's different because they can hide all of their transactions. Anyways, based on the charts, this is not something that I would put my money in, to put it very nicely, all right? Now, we have seen a little bit of spike here and volume start to thicken up. Now, if you truly have done a lot of research into this coin and you do believe in it, then right now, just based on historical data, in that whenever the coins first start to see volume, they see some spikes and then they dip for a little bit, kind of just how Doug Lamar's did. Based on historical data, if you want to buy in, then now the prices are looking all right. They're looking decent. However, now I can't look at the candlesticks because this doesn't have it. It's not big enough to be on a TradingView exchange. However, if you look at Doug Lamar's, right, saw some initial volume and now it retraced back down to the normal levels. Now it spiked a lot. Retracing back down. Now, what we're seeing here is the same thing as what we saw here. All right, boom, boom. It's just retracing back down. However, if this is a crap coin, then you're just throwing your money into something that is absolutely horrible. And even if it's not a crap coin, look at the weight you have. You have months, okay? Just hodl your money and put it in something that will actually go up over these months, whether that be stocks, bonds, crypto, just anything other than a crap coin. Anyways, you guys came for the technical analysis. We are hitting a support level around these 0.0000009043 levels, so that's a good thing. No, I don't know if we're seeing any volume step in here. How long has this thing been on the market? All right, this thing has been on the market since 12/23/2021, so about 3 months. Okay, 3 months has been on the market. We have seen some buying pressure here. I would not put my money in this coin, to be completely frank with you guys. However, if you really do believe in this, if you know some inside information that I don't, then it's hitting a support level. So what you want to wait for is some volume to step up. Or just average in some of your portfolio now. But this is not something that I would put my money in. So that is that, and I'll leave it at that. This is a Tonic review, Tectonic review. Let's get into let's check out their website at least, Let's get into it. Just let's have it. A tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Now, for me, their website, they could put anything on their websites. It really doesn't matter. All they're doing is trying to get you to buy into their coin. Okay, so it honestly does not matter what the hell their white paper says. There's been so many projects that say they're going to do something, then they don't do something, then they scam everybody that invests in their coin. All right, especially now the market cap is pretty big, relatively. It's over 100 million, which is good. All right, let's get it. Tectonic is a non-custodial algorithmic-based money market protocol. Okay, it allows users to participate in liquidity, suppliers and borrowers, passive income. So it's pretty much, there's so many other things that already do this. It's just a lending protocol, pretty much. So nothing new. They're not making a change. The white paper is, okay, here it is. Fundamental. I just don't like it. No. I haven't read it, okay? But there's so many lending providers already, like Aave. It's decentralized, and they're big. They're real big. Aave is huge. And they're doing the same crap. This is a almost $2 billion market cap, all right? So they're penetrating a market that has already been penetrated before, all right? So I would not put my money in it. However, let's check out their socials, Maybe they'll surprise us with how many followers they got. If they got a lot of followers, then, maybe. Now, they don't have a Reddit or anything. 41.5K followers. Let's look at their engagement. 63 likes. 833. 190. So, it's alright. It's not too crazy. Nothing crazy. 24 comments. 130. Markets are down as well, so the engagement will also be lower. Anyways, I would not put my money in this. If you do plan on putting your money in this, and you really do believe in it, then patience is key. First of all, do not average your full portfolio in on one of these small coins at any point in time. You want to always have some on the side. Always. Let's say you're going to invest $1,000. Right now, put $50 in. Over the course of a couple months coming up, average in your portfolio. With these small coins, the last thing you want to do is put in $1,000 here and then it drops 98%. And you're done for. You're screwed. You just lost all your money. All right. If you want to become a billionaire, the key is to not lose money. All right. That's the only rule. Well, one of the biggest rules. Don't lose money. All right. You see billionaires going around throwing money away? No, they don't do it. They're good with their money. All right. You might see. Anyways. All right. Tectonic Crypto Beta 69. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.